Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. I got so many requests from you guys to make something from Riverdale and specifically the iconic milkshake from Pop's Diner. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Today we are gonna be making a homemade strawberry milkshake and we're making everything from scratch other than the ice cream. I am super excited because I absolutely love this series Riverdale. And if you're not familiar with this series, this is like an Archie comic meets a whodunit, and they had a baby and I'm in love with it. I've seen every single episode. Okay, now without further ado, let's get started. To make our homemade whipped cream, you'll need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then for our milkshake, you'll need 1/2 cup of milk and 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. To make our strawberry syrup, you'll need 1 cup of water, about 3 cups of fresh strawberries, and 1 cup of sugar. Now let's put it all together and make some milkshakes. First step to making the milkshakes is making the homemade strawberry syrup. In front of me, I've got a cutting board, a small cutting knife, and a sauce pot. Start with your strawberries, cut off the tops, and cut into 4s. Then just toss them all into the pot. After you've got all the strawberries chopped up and thrown in the pot, add your water and sugar. Now take your pot and a spatula over to the stove. Place the pot on the stove and turn the heat to medium-high. Allow the strawberry mixture to come to a boil, then turn the heat to medium. Cook the strawberry mixture for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, then turn off the heat on the stove and take your pot back to the baking station. Just took our strawberry mixture off the stove. Be careful, it's still very hot. Now pour all of it into a large strainer with a bowl underneath to catch all of the syrup. Delicious! Also, using a spatula, just use it to move the strawberries around because we want to get out all the liquid. Once it's strained, set it off to the side, and now we're going to make our whipped cream. To make the whipped cream, you'll need a large mixing bowl. I'm using an electric hand mixer. Pour in all of the heavy cream and the sugar. Now mix on a medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks start to form. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to keep it cool, and now we're gonna make a milkshake. Ooh, all of our hard work is about to pay off. In a blender, add 1/4 cup of our strawberry syrup that we just made, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, into the blender. Oh yeah. Mix it up and then pour into your milkshake glass. Add a little bit of whipped cream on the top. I'm just gonna make some circles. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And no, it's too full. No, there's too much milkshake. Okay, there. Oh no! No! Then for the final garnish, take a cute strawberry, make a little slit at the bottom of the strawberry, be careful, don't get your fingers, and place it on the side of the glass. No! And ta-da! There you have it, Riverdale Strawberry Milkshake, the milkshake from the iconic Pop's Diner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Making homemade milkshakes is super easy, and you can always replace ingredients. You can always switch up the different types of ice cream you're using, or make a different homemade syrup, whatever you'd like. I'll be posting a bunch of pictures and the recipe on RosannaPansino.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can check it out there. If you guys make this milkshake or any other Pop Diner food, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. If you have any other ideas for any other nerdy nummies, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to make it happen. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Oh, my berry strawberry. Mwah, delicious.